Let's do it. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the laziest Magician Fooler card trick that left me speechless. It's time for the performance. Now check this out. We'll have a card selected at random. Let's just say this card right here, and it is the Queen of Spades. So have a spectator take a look, remember that card, keep that card with them. And here's what I'll do. I'll break the deck approximately in half. That should be close enough to half as possible. And I'll actually flip one half over and shuffle these two halves together, just like this. And just to show you that they indeed are being shuffled together, we can even have a spectator push them right in like that. And then, you know what? If a spectator wants to give the deck a nice shuffle, they can do that as well. Bam. Check that out. Now, we'll spread all these cards out, and we'll have the spectator take their card and insert it anywhere they want into this deck right here. Boom, let's just say they want to put it there. Right? So now we have some cards face up, we have some cards face down, and those are the only two directions cards could possibly be in. Now, if I just give it a magic wave like this and a twirl, we'll see that all the cards are now face up except one card. And that one card is the card that you selected, the Queen of Spades. So the first time I saw this trick, it completely fooled me. I had zero clue on how it was done. If you guys want to go check out the tutorial now, it'll be on my Patreon page. Otherwise, you'll have to wait that 24 hours till my next upload. But in the meantime, you can go and check out this performance right here because that is also amazing. So I'll see you there. Peace out.